So I'm about to do some experiments. Giving me spooky season vibes for sure. So I have a wedding to go to in a few weeks. I'm actually going to be in the wedding, and I really just want my hair to be one solid color, or as close to one solid color as it's gonna get. You guys know I got these highlights a few months ago, and I was gonna hold off because I want to dye my hair all one color, like a red color, but I don't want to be in the wedding with my hair looking like this. Like, it doesn't even look too bad, but I just personally want my hair to be one solid color. I don't know, I don't feel the greatest. You guys can hear it in my voice. I don't look the greatest right now, so I'm gonna pull myself all the way together and we're gonna do a hair transformation. And I won't actually be dyeing my hair, it's just going to be a temporary solution, so we'll get into that in a little bit. But first, I do want to do some scalp care. You guys know I show you the same scalp care products over and over again because I truly do love them, and it's what I really use all the time. But today we do have some new products to show you guys, and I want to thank JVN for sponsoring this portion of today's video. They sent me so much product and I won't be able to get through everything today, but I'm gonna start off this transformation using their pre-wash scalp oil. So JVN stands for Jonathan Van Ness, who's the face of the brand. He's also on the show Queer Eye. That's where I know him from. I think it's so cool that I'm partnering with them now, and I used to love watching him on that show. But they are a sustainable, clean ingredient hair care brand. The bottles, jars, and tubes that they use for their products are all able to be recycled. Their products are vegan and cruelty-free, and one of their key ingredients is hemisqualane. It's in every single JVN product, and this ingredient will help create healthier, stronger strands over time. It deeply repairs, protects, and smooths all types and textures. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this scalp oil before I get in the shower. I'm gonna leave it on for about 15 minutes before I go in and shampoo my hair. And I'm gonna massage that in just using the very tips of my fingers. And you can also massage this oil down the strands of your hair. I'm gonna let this oil sit on my hair for 15 minutes, and then I will also be using a JVN shampoo and conditioner in the shower today. I have their hydrating shampoo and hydrating conditioner. So I just got out the shower and I used the hydrating shampoo and conditioner from JVN. I really love that conditioner. It made it so easy to detangle my hair. I'm gonna keep my hair up in a towel so it can dry up a little bit, and we're gonna get into the fun part of this video. I am going to be toning my hair. I won't be dyeing it like I said earlier. I'm actually gonna be using this Color Fresh mask. So it's gonna be a temporary solution, which is perfect because I really just want this all over brown color for the wedding. But this is the Wella Professionals Color Fresh mask in the color Chocolate Touch. I picked it up at Sally Beauty. They have a ton of different colors. I got some gloves here so I don't stain my hands. I've never used a depositing mask before. I've only used actual toner on my hair, so I wonder what the difference will be. And I don't think my actual hair color at the moment has came across well on this video, but definitely check out my most recent videos. You guys will see that my hair is more of like an orangey, brassy type color. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna split my hair in half, and I'm going to put these gloves on. It smells good. It doesn't smell like chocolate, but it smells good. I I definitely want to cover as much as I can, especially up here in the front of my face and at my roots, but I think it'll look all right if some of the lighter pieces still poke through a little bit. I really just want to make sure I have enough to cover the front of my hair. Hey, I think this looks pretty good. I feel like I've covered all of my hair pretty evenly. If I missed anything, it's definitely going to be in the back section. I'm just going to go ahead and clip this up loosely. And it says to leave it on for at least 10 minutes or longer depending on the desired intensity of the color. So I think I'm going to leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes and see how dark it could actually go. So yeah, I need to clean up this mess that I've created. It looks like there's blood on me. It's giving me spooky season vibes for sure. I'll be back once I rinse this out of my hair. I'm gonna get back in the shower, rinse this out, and then I'll be back to style and show you guys the final result. I am back out of the shower. I just rinsed the mask off of my hair and I can already tell that it's so much darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and start styling. I'm gonna put some of this JVN conditioning mist on. It's like a lightweight conditioner that helps detangle and hydrate your hair. And I'm gonna brush that through. Hi guys, so it's almost been 2 weeks since I filmed the first part of this video. I never came back on camera to show you guys my hair, but this is currently what my hair is looking like after using the color depositing mask. It has faded out a little bit because since the beginning of this video, I have washed my hair 3 times. I just finished washing my hair this morning for the 3rd time since I first applied the mask. And every single time I wash my hair, it does rinse out little by little, but I'm still liking how I have this overall darker color to my hair. The highlights are still poking through a little bit, but it's just so much more subtle and natural looking, and I really love it. Using that depositing mask as a temporary solution is the best thing I could have done to get my hair to look the way I want it for the upcoming wedding. And I also wanted to update you guys on the JVN products I've been using. I've been using them every single wash day since I first tried them out, and I've been loving them. I've been loving the way that my hair has been looking and feeling. The hydrating shampoo and conditioner are probably my new favorite thing for my wash days. It's been keeping my hair nice and moisturized, especially the highlighted portions of my hair that are bleached. Those are usually more dry than the rest of my hair, but lately I feel like overall my hair has just been way more moisturized and it feels and looks a little bit healthier. And these are actually fresh curls. I just washed my hair this morning, so I still need to fluff it out. You guys know I always use oil before I start fluffing and shaking my hair, so I'm going to be using the JVN Nourishing Shine Drops. It's such a lightweight oil that's gonna add a nice shine to your hair and also obviously help prevent any frizz as you're kind of manipulating it at this final step. The past few wash days have definitely been some of the best wash days I've had in a long time. And I've been styling my hair like normal, but I have been incorporating all of these new JVN products, and I feel like it's really made a difference. And I didn't talk much about this earlier. This is the pre-wash scalp oil. I've also been including this in every single wash day. This is going to be a great addition for my winter curly hair routine because it's so moisturizing, and keeping my scalp nice and moisturized has also contributed to healthier looking hair. I'll definitely make sure to link everything I use in this video down in the description box below if you are interested. But that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go, and also make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.